I fixed my credit from a 550 to a 740 by wiping everything off my credit report. And in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to clean your credit by using this AI software I wish I had when I got started. All right, guys, so the software that I'm talking about is called creditfixer.com. I already have a credit report in here. If you don't have your credit report, you can get your free credit report from annualcreditreport.com. However, in order to actually use this software, you're gonna have to get your credit report from either Smart Credit, My Free Score Now, Identity IQ, or My Score IQ. Check the links below and you can get your credit reports from using those links. Once you get your credit report, you're gonna use our one-click import system to actually import your credit report. I'm gonna go ahead and re-import this credit report. Perfect, it just imported, and let's see which changed. Okay, so this credit report in particular went up 1 point here, 2 points here, and 2 points here. Great. Like I mentioned, it's really easy. You can go to click this tab right here, lets you know what credit report you have, your latest credit report. It shows you all your negative items. This account has 5 derogatories. This account has 37 inquiries. You can click in here and you can view your credit reports. That's the system. And then your credit analysis. This is your credit analysis tab, which is pretty dope. It's going to show you everything that's hurting your credit scores. The next thing that you want to do is you want to head over to the dispute center. Now, the dispute center is pretty cool because it's going to allow you to dispute those negative items. So those 5 derogatory items that you saw, you can go here, click here, select your dispute reason. I'm going to select a few more and I'm going to say all bureaus. I want to dispute with all bureaus. And the software is smart enough to know if this account is being reported to which credit bureau. So I selected 3 items I want to dispute. I'm going to head over to the dispute flow and I'm going to dispute derogatory items and I'm going to use the first letter. System's AI is smart enough to put each negative account in the respective credit report. So as you can see, these accounts are only being reported to Experian. So you won't see TransUnion or Equifax. So it's pretty cool. You just go ahead and click create letter. It's going to generate that letter for you. You can head over to the dispute letter tracker. There's that letter right there, October 4th. And you can download it, take it to your local post office, or you can mail it directly from the software, either first class or certified mail. So click pay and mail, click yes, and it's going to mail this letter directly from the software. If you found this video useful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and also check out this interview where I tell my entire story of how I built this platform from scratch.